lubricate your mouth, help you swallow, aid in digestion and help protect your teeth against harmful bacteria. You have three major types of salivary glands. 1. Sublingual. 2. Submandibular. 3. Parotid. Hello, salam. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan. What are salivary glands? Your salivary glands produce saliva, spit, and empty it into your mouth through ducts, or small openings. They lubricate your mouth and throat, aid in swallowing and digestion, and help shield your teeth from cavity-causing bacteria. Anatomy of salivary gland. Where are my salivary glands located? In addition to the major salivary glands mentioned earlier, you also have lots of minor salivary glands. These tiny glands are under the lining of your mouth and throat. Each person has up to 1,000 of them. While minor salivary glands are significantly smaller than your major salivary glands, together, they actually produce more saliva than your major glands. How big are salivary glands? The size depends on which salivary gland you're referring to. For example, each sublingual gland is about the size of an almond. Together, your two submandibular glands are about the size of a walnut. Each parotid gland is slightly smaller than your ear.